everyone. I'm Mia. I'm here to show you how to build a particular Lego set. Let's go on with the video. Here's some stickers. And then here's the manual. And that's all. Only 2 bags. Get out, Mr. Head. Get out. Okay. So when she wants to drive, she can do it. But when she doesn't want to drive, she can put it down. And before I start building the second thing, I can tell you how it sits. You see? Can you please get this part out? Because I don't want to go down. This is how the robot gets it to work. And there's his hammers and stuff. And this is the car. And you see here is the flower thing. But back here there's no thing.
So don't touch the car.
Now.
Just, put one hand on the pink thing and one hand on this and go. Bravo!
It fell onto the ground, but it actually really shoots. video. I hope you come back to watch another one. Next time, we'll build this. Don't forget to subscribe down below to get all my cool videos.